Hey guys, you want to help me build some Lego? Really? Okay. So, hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and today we're going to be doing day 8 of our Lego Advent calendar, because it's the 8th day of Advent. Alright, so it is day 8. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this with 2 dogs, but let's see what we can do. Let's plop a Leonard on my shoulder. Plop a Leonard on your shoulder. Where is it? Day 8. It's down there. I don't know if I can do this. Oh. Hey, Leonard. You okay up here, buddy? Okay, there's day 8. Get as many dogs involved as possible. Okay, so I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a traffic light or something? A hovercraft? Apparently it's a hovercraft or like a drone. Oh, yeah, I guess it's like a little quadcopter. Okay. Leonard hears the crinkling of wrappers and he's like, "Where's the treat, Uncle Aaron? You promised me treats, yes?" Hey, Dunkaroo. Many poppers. Okay, I'm gonna have to reposition this a little bit. Oh, Leonard wants to go, and Duncan decided he wanted to go. Okay, I guess the puppies have tapped out. Makes things a little easier for doing this. Okay, so this we get. I'm going to be like double checking everything because I don't know what this is. So we take the little 2-peg with a clip part. We put a gray stud on there and a green stud. Yep. Okay. And then we take this guy, the little dome one, the little 4-peg dome. And we put 2 green, 2 red. Like so. Alright, so that's done. Then we've got these 2, which I guess go this way. Yeah, I guess they go this way. So they go on to the little piece that we just made with the red and green. Just clip on like that. And then we do that with the other one. And then this goes into, we take the little circular piece that goes on top of a 4-peg and has a single peg in the middle. And we put that on top. Now from there, we attach these wheels, which I guess are supposed to be propellers in this case. So a little bit of imagination in there. We put those on top. And yeah, I guess it looks like a little quadcopter. An Amazon delivery drone, delivering your Lego for you for the year 2020. And I don't know, oh, this is a remote. I literally just registered that that's a remote. I thought it clipped onto it somewhere. I guess you could clip it on if you really wanted to. So that's a remote for the kid who I had on the toboggan with the lady. I've also moved his thing around so that his hat stays on there and he stays warmer. Because Lego people need to stay warm. There, he's got a remote, he's got money. He's gonna rob a bank with a drone. Let's put a warning light on top of it. And there, we got a little drone. So the drone can go over here. The dog can pass off the plate to the drone. And then the drone delivers the food to the boy, and the boy's like, "Oh yeah, chicken, faux cheesy." Puts the coin in there. Does this. Sends the coin back to the dog. The dog takes the coin because the dog is involved in capitalism at this point. Takes it to his car over here. Drives the space shuttle and goes back to his home planet. All in the meanwhile, this Leslie Knope is making a park in the snow with a snowman who has a human upper body. So, yeah. That about covers the Lego build for today. Eggnog. That's a great segue right there. So, do you guys like eggnog? We were talking about this with a few people, and I know it's kind of a polarizing thing. People either really love eggnog or just think it's the nastiest thing ever. I know pretty much everyone in my family, my immediate family, loves eggnog in some regard, but my sister Val, who's behind the camera, she doesn't really like store-bought eggnog that you get. She likes, there's this brand called Bolthouse that it's like an all-natural sort of one. It's kind of more of a traditional eggnog rather than like a mass-produced one, and it tastes really good. I'll give it that. I'm not picky when it comes to eggnog, but that's her only eggnog that she'll drink. So let us know down below if you guys like eggnog or not, if you're an eggnoggin. Then yeah, make sure that if you like the video, you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like I said before, we post one of these. We are going to be posting one of these every day for the next however many days are left in Advent. I'm just not going to try and do the mental math because my brain is not working right. Yeah, so if you're subscribed, make sure you ring the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our updates for this. We're also doing our regular updates on Monday and bonus updates on Thursdays. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day and happy holidays.